And in case any of you is wondering what this is, it's actually eyelash glue that I had used yesterday, and it's not come off properly because I did not carry my cleanser. I just carried my wipes and my face wash, so that's why it has not come out properly, the lash glue. But I'm gonna go and remove it now. Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are at Mount Kenya National Park, and we are at the end of the park right now. So basically this park, it's basically just this. So you don't really see animals over here, you just see, like, coincidentally, like by mistake, you might see an animal, or luckily you might see an animal. But yeah, mostly it's just you come and see the greens and all that. Actually, I'm really disappointed, to be honest, because I wanted to see like a few animals. I thought it's like a proper national park like Nairobi National Park and, you know, the other national parks that I've always been in. And yeah, so I'm kind of disappointed that I've just come to see vegetation here and mountains. But yeah, the mountains are nice. If you're interested in seeing mountains, then this is the place for you. If you're not interested in like looking at animals and, you know, that kind of stuff. I was really interested in looking at animals. The only thing I saw is monkeys. And yeah, and we paid 430 shillings per person to come and see vegetation. That's not cool. Okay, we never knew, but it's our first time, so I'm glad I'm telling you guys that who are planning to come and visit over here. Just know that you don't see animals in this park. You just coincidentally probably see like a few animals, like by mistake. So anyways, yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. And I just wanted to tell you that my shades just look so nice. I love them. They look so cute. So Zain came to see animals over here and he's pretty disappointed because, I mean, this is the end of the park. It's basically just a drive. It's basically a drive to the peak of this area where you only see like mountains, clouds. And yeah, Zain, how was your experience?
Very nice.
Very nice, or are you disappointed because you didn't see animals?
No animals.
No animals here. Anyways, we're planning, we're going to take him to another national park, hopefully. But yeah, let me just show you the view that you're going to get over here, which is pretty nice. I mean, if you want to come and take pictures and all that, the view is very nice. So basically, this is what you see. The view is pretty nice. I mean, if you're interested in to come and see this amazing view, so it's pretty nice, and to take a few pictures for probably your Instagram or Facebook and whatever socials you're using. So the view is amazing, and this is like the management, and this is like literally the end of the park. So you can take a few shots for your Instagram. This beautiful view. The only thing you come to see is a view, actually. Zain is taking pictures because, I mean, that's the only thing you can do over here. Sam is also just taking pictures. When I first entered the park, I was so happy and so excited because the roads are so nice. We thought we were gonna see animals. So yeah. But the road is very nice. I mean, if you don't mind like coming till here just to see the view. So all you can do is sit with your shoes. And yeah, look at this beautiful view. That's all you can do here. So basically I'm sitting. I was just taking Instagram pictures because that's all you can do over here. Zain is taking pictures. But the pictures are coming out so good, so at least I'm happy about that. One quick tip, if you're planning to come to Mount Kenya National Park, then make sure you are very warm, because I'm not warm and I'm freezing to death, and I've not even carried a jacket or a sweater. Obviously it's Mount Kenya, it's gonna be cold, so use your common sense, guys. So if you guys are wondering about my makeup look, the only thing I have done is BB cream and powder, blush, lipstick. This is my Cotton One D lipstick, and my eyebrows. I've just filled my eyebrows in and applied mascara and blue kajal by Davis. Yeah, so yeah, that's the only thing you can do over here in the jungle. You can't really put a lot of makeup or foundation and that kind of stuff. So carry minimum makeup, you know, if you're coming around over here, or apply minimum makeup. There's actually no road, as you guys can see, to go inside the actual park or like the forest and stuff like that. So yeah, I think they should make a road like to go inside so that people can actually see a few animals and be happy if they come over here, you know. Can you guys see where Zain is standing? Crazy view, crazy view. It's clearly called Mount Kenya National Park, so you're coming to see Mount Kenya. So the only thing I can actually advise you is to wear shoes with grip like these ones, because there's a lot of rocks over here if you guys want to go to the crazy areas and take nice pictures. guys, you can see that you can come and see this beautiful view. The mountains are around over here, and yeah, so for your pictures you can always come over here. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below and click on the notification bell down below, obviously. And yeah, comment down below if you've been here before. I'll see you guys in my next one. Look at the beautiful mountains. Stunning. I actually thought that was a road going up there. But yeah, that's it.